Okay. Hello students. Today we'll continue the previous class. Already 3 classes over, lecture number 1, 2 and 3, and this is lecture number 4. So almost all the properties over. So very important in this chapter, domain, range and property. Domain, range and property. Maximum type properties I explained. So using property I am solving the problems that previous problems. Then in terms of tan inverse of x is going, no? And today we'll continue same problems. Prove that tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by x plus y equal to pi by 4. So very simple, and better to take LHS. Tan inverse of x by y minus tan inverse of x minus y by 1 x plus y. Better we go to direct formula, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y formula. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, tan inverse of x by y minus x minus y by x plus y, 4 divided by 1 plus x by y into x minus y by x plus y. Okay? Using property of inverse, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y formula, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy equal to tan inverse of and here y into x plus y, here also y into x plus y, both are get cancelled, and x into x square plus xy and minus xy and plus y square. Plus y square, 4 divided by, and multiplying this side means xy plus y square and plus x square minus xy. Okay, and plus x minus we cancel, and here also plus xy must cancel. Tan inverse of x square plus y square by x square plus y square equal to tan inverse of 1 only. You know what is the tan inverse of 1 is principal value, pi by 4. Okay. So it is not difficult problem. So very simple direct properties of tan inverse. You assume this x, this is y, x minus y by 1 plus xy. Next example, sin inverse of 8 by 17 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse of 77 by 36. So this is even I given formula property of sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. Actually these are not sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of x formula is not there in the textbook. Better even sin inverse I given property sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y, sin inverse of x into root of 1 minus plus y into root of 1 minus x. That better you go to direct formula method. Otherwise here tan inverse is there, and these two convert into tan inverse. So very important, both sin inverse and cos inverse convert into what? In terms of tan inverse. Okay. So what is sin inverse? Better you take, let sin inverse of 8 by 17 equal to A. Sin A 8 by 17. 8 by 17. This is 8, this is 17, 17. 280, 17 square 289, and 64 and 5 2. I think this is what, 15. So then 225 comes, it is 15. Therefore sin inverse of 8 by 17 equal to tan inverse of, this is tan inverse of 8 by 15. 8 by 15. Okay. Sin inverse of convert into tan inverse. This is very simple using triangle method, right angle triangle method. This is 8 is 17, this is 15. Sin inverse of 8 by 17 equal to sin inverse of 8 by 15. Okay. Then similarly it is and sin inverse of 3 by 5 equal to B. Sin B equal to 3 by 5. Now this is one more right angle triangle. This B, better this is, I am taking A, this is a B. 3, 5, this is 4. So sin inverse of 3 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So both are converted into what? Tan inverse. What is the sin inverse of 8 by 17 and tan inverse of 8 by 15? And what is the sin inverse of 3 by 5, tan inverse of 3 by 4? Now better you go to start LHS and definitely will get answer. Okay. Now this is the LHS. This is tan inverse of 8 by 15. 8 by 15 plus tan inverse of 3 by 4. Okay. So it is very easy to the formula, the tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy equal to tan inverse of 8 by 15. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 4 4 divided by 8, it is 20, 24 by 16. Okay. Using tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula, this is x, this is y, x plus y by 1 minus xy. Better take LCM. Tan inverse of 32 plus 45 whole divided by 60 minus 24, and tan inverse of 77 by 10 minus is 6, 36. So this is the problem. So how many marks he is asking now? This is 3 marks question. So very important, students. There is no formula sin inverse of x plus sin inverse y. Both are converted into tan inverse, because the right side tan inverse is there, and sin inverse 8 by 17 sin inverse of the both are in terms of tan. Next, prove that, next example, prove that cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to cos inverse 33 by 65. 33 by 65. So here this is cos inverse, this is cos inverse, this is cos inverse. Suppose if it is tan inverse, is both are converted into. No, even here these two are converting into first method. See the first method. When you take direct cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13. What is the formula? Cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y equal to cos inverse of xy minus root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus y square. This is the formula. What is the cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y formula? Cos inverse of xy. I told this is plus means minus. Cos inverse of xy minus root 1 minus x square into root of 1. Now this is x, this is what? Y. Substituting cos inverse of and x, cos inverse of xy 4 by 5 into 12 by 13 minus root 1 minus 16 divided by 25 root 1 minus 144 by 169 equal to cos inverse of 48 by 65. I think 25 minus 16, 9, 3 by 5, 169, 144, subtracting this 5 and 25. It is 25, 5 by what? 30 equal to cos inverse of 48 minus 15 divided by 65. Cos inverse of 48, it is equal to 33 divided by 65. So you got cos inverse of 33 by 65. So this is, both are cos inverse. I am taking formula because it is right side cos inverse is there. Cos inverse, right side cos. Formula that previous problem also it is same, sin inverse of x plus sin, that formula method also will get. Both when. But both are cos of formula high given, both are sin inverse high given formula, okay? So anyhow, using the property of inverse, cos inverse of xy minus root 1 into root of 1 minus y square. So what is another method? This is one method. This is cos inverse in terms of tan inverse. This is also in terms of tan inverse, and tan inverse will get the tan inverse convert into cos inverse. Better go to right angle triangle is very important, okay? And second method, cos inverse of, let cos inverse of 4 by 5 equal to A, cos A equal to 4 by 5, okay? And this is the right angle triangle, this is 4, 5, 3. So what is cos inverse? Cos inverse of 4 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4, and cos inverse of 12 by 13 equal to B, cos B equal to 12 by 13. So what is one more right angle triangle? It is B, a 12, 13, and this is the 5. So what is the cos inverse of 12 by 13 equal to tan inverse of 5 by 12, okay? Now we start LHS. What is the cos inverse of 4 by 5? It is tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 5 by 12. Now you go to property of tan inverse of x plus, no problem. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. 4 divided by 1 minus 15 by 48 equal to tan inverse of So 48 plus 15, sorry, 48 tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, tan inverse of x plus y by 1. So 12, what is LCM? It is 4, 4, 12, 4 1 4, 4 3. I think LCM is 12. LCM is 12. I think it's 9. 4 3 is plus that is cos inverse of 5 by 12. 3 by 4. This is 4 5 3. Okay. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Okay, that is LCM 48. Okay, 9 plus, what is LCM is 12. 12 in 4 3 is 9 plus 5. See that what happens. And 48. 48. What is there? Cos inverse. This 3. This is 4, this is 5, this is 3. I think tan inverse of 3 by 4, cos inverse of 12 by 13. So 12, 13, 5, it is 5 by 12. What is the property? X plus y by 1 minus xy. It is 3 by 5, okay, 3 by 5. So I think 9 by, okay, 48. 48 minus 15 by 48 equal to tan inverse of 14 divided by 12 into 48 by 8 minus 5 is 3 and 33. By 12, 12 1 is equal to tan inverse of 4, 12 1 12, 4 okay, it is 12 1 12 4 14 into 12 4 by 33, 2 2 okay, it is 4 no, 56, 2 2 2, 11, tan inverse of 28 by 11. So what is here? This is 28, this is 11. What about 28? 28 square means, okay, this is better you keep that 56, what is 14 into 4, 16, 56, you keep 56 by 33, 56 by 33, I think it is, what is the question you are asking? It is 65, maybe it is, okay, 65, then maybe it is cos inverse of 33 by 65, you will get answer, okay. So it's only calculation part, it's not writing, and again you have to try this, and better you can try yourself. So I explain the second method how to solving. Here steps are not important. So I am explaining that another method. Both are cos inverse convert into tan inverse. So answer is comes tan inverse. Okay. Again you should write triangle 28, 33, 65 using this figure. Cos inverse, tan inverse is equal to cos inverse. Prove that cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 equal to sin inverse of 56 by 65. Now here given left side is one cos inverse, another is sin inverse, but right side is sin inverse. Okay. This problem cos inverse and here sin inverse, again answer is sin inverse. Okay. Better you go to formula with the sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. Okay. The right side is sin inverse means both are converted into sin inverse. One more minute. If it is given cos inverse, both are converted into cos inverse. If it is given tan inverse, both are converted into tan. That is another way. Okay. Now here sin inverse, let cos inverse of 12 by 30 equal to A. Cos A equal to 12 by 30. Okay. So what is the another figure? 12, 13 and what? 5. Therefore, cos inverse of 12 by 13 equal to sin inverse of 5 by 13. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 equal to sin inverse of 5 by 13. Now better we start LHS. Cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5. What is the cos inverse of 12 by 13? Sin inverse of 5 by 13 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5. What is the formula? Sin inverse of x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula only. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y formula. Sin inverse of x into root of 1 minus plus y into root. This is x, this is y. Substituting sin inverse of what is x? 5 by 13 into root 1 minus 9 by 25 plus 3 by 5. This y is 3 by 5. Under root of 1 minus 25 by 169. So sin inverse of 5 by 13. 25 minus 9, 16. 16 means 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5 at 169 minus 144, 12 by 13. Okay, and sin inverse of 20 plus 36 by 65 equal to sin inverse of 56 by 65. Okay. So many methods, but I am telling this, repeating once again. Actually, that formula is not there in the textbook. Sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. फिर भी इसको लिख सकते, क्या अभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ओके. अब cos inverse, that very important right side. If it is sin inverse, both are sin inverse. That is one way. If it is given cos, convert into both are cos inverse. Formula I given. Tan inverse is no problem. Tan inverse of x plus or minus. Okay. Even this problem convert into tan inverse of x only, because this is convert into tan inverse. You will get tan inverse. This is tan inverse of this. Okay. बाद में इसको tan inverse of में आंसर आते हैं. ये कैसा आता बोले तो लास्ट लीस्ट आंसर में tan inverse of x आता. ये tan inverse of x में क्या करना, इसको फिर ट्रायंगल लेके from the triangle you will get sin inverse. This is another method. Repeating once again, students. So many methods are there. So many methods. Even 4-5 methods are there. This problem solving that. Now what I am telling, repeating once again. If it is sin inverse of x, right side, both are converted into sin inverse and go to formula. Okay. You don't know formula. If you want a formula means this is converted into sin inverse. Okay. Then sin inverse of x formula मालूम नहीं तो इसको दूसरा मेथड सॉल्व करना. फॉर्मूला सर आई एम I don't know the formula, just I forget that formula. Better you go to, this is convert into tan inverse, this is the tan inverse. tan इनवर्स ऑफ x प्लस tan इनवर्स, बाद में इसको tan इनवर्स में ऐसा आता. आप tan इनवर्स में क्या करना, फिर इसको ट्रायंगल लेके tan इनवर्स ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करके from that figure that sin inverse. Okay, now finally tan inverse convert into sin inverse. This is another. So next problem. Next problem, sin inverse of 12 by 13 plus cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16 equal to pi. Okay, so this is the very important question. The answer is pi. Now here all are converted into tan. Already one tan inverse is there, and these cos inverse and sin inverse, these two convert into tan inverse. Now let sin inverse of 12 by 13 equal to A. Therefore, sin A 12 by 13. Okay, 12 by 13. This is 12, 13 and what? 5. Therefore, sin inverse of 12 by 13. Sin inverse of 12 by 13 equal to, I want tan inverse of 12 by 5. Now finish, over. And next what is, let and cos inverse of 4 by 5 equal to B. Therefore, cos B equal to 4 by 5. You take one more triangle, it is 4, 5, 3. Now what is cos inverse of 4 by 5 equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. What is the cos inverse of 4 by 5? Tan inverse of 3 by 4. Sin inverse of 12 by 13, tan inverse of 12 by 5. So already it is tan inverse is there. Okay. Now start LHS. What is the first one? Sin inverse of 12 by 13, tan inverse of 12 by 5. And what is the next? Tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse of 63 by, what is 63 by 16. Okay. First one is tan inverse of 12 by 5 and second one is tan inverse of 3 by 4 and the third one is tan inverse of 63 by 16. But answer is not pi by 4, it is pi only. Okay. So this is very important. I am taking these two. These two I am taking. 12 by 5 into 3 by 4, 36 by 20. It is greater than 1. Tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So I given property, if xy greater than 1, so what is the value? Pi plus. If xy less than, there is no pi. But here 36 by 20 is greater than 1 and using pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now equal to, this is x, this is the y. Okay. You keep the third one. Okay. And you keep this third one, only these two, either first two or last two. In this problem you should take any two that is more than 1 only. Okay. Now pi plus tan inverse of 12 x plus y by, so what is x here? x is 12 by 5 plus 3 by 4 whole divided by 1 minus 36 divided by 20 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16, okay, equal to pi plus tan inverse of 20, LCM is 20, so 48 plus 15 4 divided by 20 minus 36 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16, pi plus tan inverse of 63 divided by minus what, 16 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16. You know what is tan inverse of minus x? Minus tan inverse of x. Sin inverse of minus tan inverse of minus x, cosec inverse of minus, it is minus only. So pi minus tan inverse of 63 by 16 plus tan inverse of 63 by 16, both are cancelled, is equal to pi. Actually it is in the textbook it is given a solved example, that is given different method. Now I am taking very easy method only, very easy method only. So what I am doing, that first two both are converted into tan inverse, all are tan inverse, but you can take any two out of these three, any two, so that will be that more than 1 x. Now I am taking 12 by 5, 3 by 4, 36 by 20 greater than 1. Greater than 1, what is the formula? Pi plus, okay? And this is x, this is y. X plus y by 1 minus xy. So finally it is tan inverse of minus x minus tan inverse. So both are cancelled. It is pi is the answer. And this is the most important problem, okay? Next example, write the simplest form. Write the simplest form. Tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So x not equal to what? 0. Write the simplest form. Write the simplest form. Simplest means maximum, least answer. So already you know that in differentiation by method of substitution, usually root 1 plus x square, then substitution comes x equal to tan theta. Root 1 plus x square is there, no? Root 1 plus x square, you take better x is tan theta or cot theta, better you go to tan theta, okay? Right. It is called given expression, G equal to tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Put x is equal to tan theta. Theta is what? Tan inverse of x. So usually the root 1 plus x square, what is the substitution? Tan, or maybe sometime cot also is possible. Better you go to tan only. So 1 plus tan square theta formula. Tan inverse of root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by x value tan theta. X value tan theta equal to tan inverse of, what is the 1 plus tan square theta formula? Secant square theta. Root secant square theta is secant theta minus 1 by tan theta, okay? I told you this is simplest means it is the least form. अभी least form नहीं आ रहा. अब least form कब आता बोले तो tan inverse of tan theta. Tan inverse of tan theta means either this answer either may be tan or cot, no other function. So other also comes using triangle only. Okay, so least बोले तो इसको फॉर्मूला लिखना 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta divided by cos theta. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Tan inverse of ये 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2 and 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. It is simple, the trigonometric formula only equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2 equal to theta by 2. So 1 by 2, what is the theta? Theta is tan inverse of x. So what is the root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x, simplest form, half into tan inverse of x, 1 by 2 tan inverse of x. Even the same problem is asking the differentiation. In the differentiation what he is asking, if y equal to this, find dy by dx. So direct it will not come, so better this is also substitution method, by method of substitution, differentiation by method of substitution. Even inverse trigonometric function, this is the correct. So differentiation 1 by 2 tan inverse of x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. This is only inverse trigonometric functions by method of substitution. Inverse trigonometric function method of differentiation. Differentiation using inverse trigonometric functions. That is called substitution only. Anyhow, root 1 plus x square, what is the substitution? Tan. Even if it is plus is there, if it is plus, either be plus or plus. ये 1 plus cos is sin है तो 2 cos is एक cot आता है. Suppose you are changing sin minus को plus लिखे ना, ऐसा आता है. So what about tan inverse of cot theta by 2? ये co ratio है, इसको tan inverse of tan theta formula है, tan inverse of cot है. Cot बोले तो 90 minus theta by 2. So this is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. This is the correct. When instead of minus it is the plus. इसको plus लिखे ना, so automatically it is formula change the 2 cos को रहता. Tan inverse of a tan pi by 2 minus theta by 2 is pi by 2 minus theta. This is the simplest form. Write the simplest form. Write the simplest form. Tan inverse of 1 by root of x square minus 1. But the condition mod x, modulus of x is greater than 1. So x value lies between minus 1 to plus 1. If it is x1, it is not defined, it comes in infinity. So what is the condition of model x lies between minus 1 to plus 1, between minus 1 to, but even not including 1 and minus 1, okay? So the previous one I told root 1 plus x square tan theta I am telling. Root x square minus 1 problem में रहते हो इसको secant theta लेना, formula आना, formula है तो इसको लिख सकते हैं, put x secant theta आता, secant square theta minus 1 formula is tan square theta, okay? Better this problem, give an expression tan inverse of 1 by root x square minus 1. Now this problem, substitution, put x is secant theta secant inverse of x, okay? What is the substitution? Root of x square minus 1 always secant theta, root of 1 plus x square tan, root 1 minus x square sin or cos. This substitution is done. So equal to tan inverse of 1 by root of secant square theta minus 1. Tan inverse of 1 by secant square theta minus 1 tan square theta. Secant square minus 1 or tan square theta, it is tan theta. Tan inverse of, it is cot theta. Okay? Secant square theta minus 1, x is secant theta. Secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. It is tan theta. 1 plus tan square theta formula is secant square theta is there. Here secant square theta means tan square. What is this answer? I told pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus secant inverse of x. Tan inverse of cot, it is pi by 2 minus theta. Okay? This is the also simplest form. So simplest form is usually it comes substitution only. Putting x is secant. If it is plus is there, tan comes. Okay? If it is 1 minus x square, sin or cos? Sin or cos? Both are correct. Write the simplest form. Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. But what is the condition? And 0 lies between 0 to pi. Given expression, tan inverse of cos x minus sin x 4 divided by cos x plus sin x. So this usually when you are taking substitution root 1 plus x square, root 1 minus x square, root x 1 at times only we take substitution. But here cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. ये problem लिखे तो students को मालूम हो नहीं. In first year so many problems are there cos x. So here and this problem divide by cos x. Divide nr and dr by cos x. ये है ना इधर 1 आना है. cos minus sin by cos plus sin है. cos x प्लेस में 1 लिखना बोले तो इसको क्या करना? डिवाइड करना है. ओके, डिवाइड न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर by cos x. So what about tan inverse of 1 minus what? Tan x by 1 plus tan x. Tan inverse of ax y. X is 1, y is what? Tan x. xy क्या था? Tan x. So already formula form में tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of tan x. y प्लेस में tan x है. This is x, this is y. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Tan inverse of not x, tan inverse of tan x. This is pi by 4 minus x. What about tan 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x? Direct actually pi by 4 minus x है. This is tan pi by 4 minus x. Tan pi by 4 minus x. So here I am dividing by cos x only. So you will get 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Even this is not, you are not taking formula, no? Tan inverse of, if go tan pi by 4 लिखना, minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. This is x, this is y. Tan inverse of tan pi by 4 minus tan inverse of tan x. So what is the tan inverse of? Equal to pi by 4 minus x. Better than previous. इसको बाहर करना देखो. What is the 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x? Tan of pi by 4. If it is numerator plus is there, here minus is there, your answer is pi by 4. This answer is pi by 4 plus x, same only, divided by cos x. Whether it is, write the simplest form, tan inverse of a cos x minus b sin x whole divided by b cos x plus a sin x. Write the simplest form. Okay. If a by b tan x condition greater than minus. Don't worry about this one. He is not asking a by b tan x greater than minus 1. So what about this problem? Divide by b cos x. Divide by b cos x बोले तो क्या आता है? Tan inverse of a by b आता है. A by b, a b we cancel, minus tan x. 1 plus a by b tan x. So this is x, this is y. Tan inverse of a by b minus what? Tan inverse of tan x, x. Okay? Just I explained. Just go to steps only. Okay? In this type problems always divide only. This number divide करे तो इसको 1 आता है, formula आता है. So this is lecture number 4. So 3. This is the lecture number 4. Problems on tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y, sin inverse of x plus sin inverse of y. Even simplest form also I explain. Now it's a very easy chapter, the most easiest chapter on inverse trigonometric function. Nothing, it is only formula, property you have to buy, and domain and range. And next period we will start lecture number 5, that continue that simplest form problems. Okay. So next one more type solve for x. Hardly it takes, it is 4 periods, means still 3 or 4 periods, around 8 periods I am taking. It is small chapter only. So around I told that 1 marks question, even 2 marks question, 3 marks question also is there. Anyway this, and continue next class. Thank you very much.